Hello friends. Today, we're going to talk about a Sony smartphone that's not only going to win your heart with its futuristic features, but is also set to leave behind powerhouses like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and iPhone 16 Pro Max. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about Sony's most anticipated smartphone, the Xperia 1 Mark 7, the upgraded version of the Xperia 1 Mark 6. If you're planning to buy this incredible smartphone, make sure to watch this video till the end, because today we'll be diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of Sony Xperia 1 Mark 7. Display. Sony's flagship phone comes with a stunning 6.56-inch Full HD Plus OLED display, with 4K HDR support, making visuals sharper and more vibrant than ever. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and 240 Hz touch sampling, this display promises ultra-smooth and responsive performance. And yes, it's protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus for extra durability. Plus, it features an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint sensor, taking security to the next level. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because when it comes to Sony, photography is everything. Staying true to its legacy, Sony has equipped this phone with a triple camera setup. First, a 48-megapixel primary sensor, with OIS for crisp, stable shots. Second, a 12-megapixel telephoto lens, for stunning zoomed-in shots. And last, a 12-megapixel periscope sensor, offering 6x optical zoom, perfect for long-range photography. And that's not all. Sony's exclusive clear image zoom technology ensures your photos are sharper and more detailed. For selfie lovers, there's a 50-megapixel front camera, ready to capture your best angles. Performance. When it comes to raw power, this phone is an absolute beast. It runs on Qualcomm's most powerful processor yet, the Snapdragon 8 Elite, ensuring blazing fast speeds and seamless multitasking. And yes, it comes with the latest Android 15 right out of the box. Battery and charging. Powering this monster is a massive 5100 mAh battery, so you can game, stream, and click photos all day long. And when it's time to recharge, 45-watt fast charging, with a Type-C Gen 2 port, gets you back in action in no time. Price and launch date. Finally, let's talk numbers. This powerhouse is expected to be priced around $1,700 in the US. As for the launch, Sony might unveil it mid this year, so stay tuned.